OTC derivatives is one of the most complex, manual, and error-prone processes in finance. Financial institutions manage thousands of bilateral positions, each governed by 50-plus page CSA contracts. Analysts spend hours daily reading these contracts, calculating margin requirements, and explaining results to counterparties and regulators. This AI agent automates this entire workflow using LandingAI's document extraction and Anthropic's Claude models for intelligent reasoning. Let's show the end-to-end. So if you just received a CSA document, you would come in and you would upload it here, and it would go through the extraction and normalization process. In the interest of time, we'll go ahead and look at one that we've already done, and we'll go through that process. And so we can see through these fields that leveraging LandingAI's API, we were able to extract all these different fields. And then what's also happening here is there's a normalization orchestration of different agents to make sure that these fields are correct and formatted and organized in the right manner. And so we'll have agents in the background reading each of these independent amounts. So in terms of threshold and unlimited amount, understanding the nuances of it and being able to pick that out from the text, the different triggers and valuation percentages, being able to organize those and applying a confidence. And then from there, now that we have organized fields, we can now calculate a margin. And so calculating a margin, we'll go ahead and type in 18 million for the net exposure. And then we'll also be able to upload a list of collateral for Fifth Third Auto, and we can leverage our template there. And then we'll go ahead and use an existing calculation to look at. And so we'll go ahead and use this one that has our collateral and that 18 million that we assigned. And here we're able to see it's a, using the deterministic math here, it's a $930,000 margin call. There's no AI involved in that particular step. So here's a simple breakdown. And then we also have an AI explanation. And so for the AI explanation, what's happening here is it's combining all the information that we've gathered from our normalization, all those different fields organized and cleaned, as well as the clauses captured by a clause agent. And those are any provisions, terms where it says provided that X, Y, and Z happens, and seeing how that aligns with our calculation and understanding what nuances to be aware of for the analyst. So this is an intelligence layer that's being provided for the user. We can also provide an audit script, so a Python script that recreates the calculation. In a future state, this could also be a Excel document. And the idea here is that for this product would be used for mostly mid-market brokerages that don't have access to the larger, more expensive enterprise licenses, and be able to customize it and use it as needed, and a lightweight tool for them. And so here we can see a summarization of the explanation, recommendation next steps, citations, and an audit trail. And then we can also export the results for when we want to communicate this with users or with our regulators.